Good day everyone! Ako nga pala si Shirley May Villanas, ang inyong sports reporter, and today, let's take a quick trip back to the year 1895. Dito mismo sa Holyoke, Massachusetts, USA, kung saan nagsimula ang isang ideyang nagmarka sa kasaysayan ng sports. The man you see in this picture is William G. Morgan, a physical education director sa YMCA. He wasn't just a teacher. Isa siyang visionary, isang taong may malalim na pag-iisip at malawak na pangarap para sa sports. At that time, basketball had just been invented, pero napansin ni Morgan na masyadong intense ito para sa mga older members ng YMCA. So he decided to create a new kind of game, something fun, active, pero hindi ganun kabigat sa katawan. That's when he came up with a game called Mintonet. Nakalaunan ay tinawag nating volleyball. Inside a YMCA gym, volleyball slowly spread across the country and eventually sa buong mundo. It became a sport that anyone could enjoy, young or old, man or woman, all playing together with teamwork and passion. Volleyball wasn't built on power, but on purpose and passion. Isang simpleng ideyang naglayong magbuklod sa mga tao, from one man's dreams to go world sport. This is how volleyball became one of the favorite teams sports. Good day everyone. Today I want to share my reflection about how I love basketball more than volleyball and what position suits me best. For me, both sports are exciting and full of teamwork. Para sa akin, basketball hits different. Every time I step on the court, I feel like I'm in my element, free, alive, and focused. The sounds of bouncing ball and the energy of the game at yung connection ko sa teammates ko. It's like everything else disappears. And all that matters is in that moment. For me, basketball isn't just a game and about scoring or winning. It's about learning, adjusting, and trusting yourself and the others. In life, just like in the game, you'll miss the shots, pero hindi ibig sabihin titigil ka na. Keep going and try again until you do your best next step. Kahit mapagod ka, okay lang. Kasi bawat laro, may pagkakataon para bumawi. These sports also taught me discipline and teamwork. It reminds me that you can win alone. And you need someone na makakatulong sa'yo para mas mabilis mong makamit ang tagumpay. And if I had to choose a position that really suits me best, I'll choose a point guard. Kasi gusto kong mag-guide sa teammates ko and mag-set ng goals para sa aming play and to help them to shine on their own. A point guard isn't always just the star of the game, pero sila ang puso ng team. And that's the kind of person that I want to be. Someone who leads with purpose and lifts others up. Basketball taught me that success isn't always just about trophies and scores. It's about heart, growth, and joy of playing the game that you love.